Namaste. Today I am doing exercise 2.8 rational numbers for 8th standard. Solve the following linear equations. First equation, x divided by 2 minus 1 over 5 is equal to x over 3 plus 1 over 4. Let's solve this equation. For this equation, first I would like to group like terms in one side. What are the like terms? Like terms means here the term with variable x and the constant terms. First, I would like to group terms with variable x. What are those terms? X over 2, this x over 2 and this x over 3. This is positive x over 3. If I bring to the other side, so it will become negative x over 3. That is x over 2 minus x over 3. Now I am going to group these constant terms in the right hand side. So 1/4 is already there, and this negative 1 over 5, when you group to the right hand side, this will become positive 1 over 5, means plus 1 over 5. That's easy to simplify. Here, denominator 2 and 3. So LCM is 2 times 3, which is 6. LCM is 6. So this is 2 times 3, both sides, so 3x minus 3 times 2, so 2x. 3x minus 2x. Here LCM is 4 times 5, which is 20. So this is 5 plus 4. 4 times 5, so 5 multiplied by 5. 5 times 4, so multiply by 4. Now 3x minus 2x is 1x. 1x we write it as just x. 3x minus 2x is x. So x over 6 is equal to 9 over 20. So what is x? X is nothing but, so you take this x this side, so this is divided by x will become multiplied by x. So 9 over 20 times 6. 9 over 20 multiplied by 6. So which is nothing but x is equal to 9 times 6, 54. 54 divided by 20. Further simplifying, you can multiply by 2. So 54 divided by 2 is 27. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Multiply, so divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So both are divisible by 2. So 27 over 10. So value of x is equal to 27 over 10. For the first linear equation. You can cross check, put the value of 27 over 10 in the equation given and check whether your left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Now let's move to question number 2. N over 2 minus 3n over 4 plus 5n over 6 is equal to 21. So all the like terms, terms with variable n are one side and the constant is other side. So we don't have to rearrange, just let's simplify. So denominators are 2, 4, 6. That means what is the LCM of 2, 4 and 6? LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. Now 2 times 6 is 12, so it's 6n. 4 times 3 is 12, so 3n times 3 is 9n, plus 6 times 2 is 12, 5n times 2, 10n is equal to 21. 6n plus 10n. You can add the positive terms first. 6n plus 10n, which is 16n. 16n minus 9n. 16 minus 9 is 7. So 7n divided by 12 is equal to 21. 7n is equal to 21 times 12. 7n is equal to 21 times 12. So n is equal to 21 times 12 divided by 7. 21 times 12 divided by 7. You can just take 21 divided by 7 now. What is 21 divided by 7? 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 12. What is 3 times 12? 36. So n is equal to 36. So our solution is 36. N is equal to 36. Next equation is x plus 7 minus 8x over 3 is equal to 17 over x minus 5x over 2. Here also you can arrange like terms. These 3 like terms in one side and the constant on another side. So let's rearrange. First is x as it is minus 8x over 3, and this minus will become plus when you take to the other side of the equation. So plus 5x divided by 2 is equal to 17 over 6, and this plus 7 will become minus 7 when you take this to the other side of the equation. So this is nothing but x is nothing but x over 1. So 1, 3, 2. So LCM is 6. So here 1 times 6, so x times 6 is 6x minus 3 times 2, so 8x times 2 is 16x plus 2 times 3, so 5 times 3 is 15x. Here also 7, you can take as 7 over 1. So 6 and 1, LCM is again 6. 17, since already 6 is there, 6 times 1, 17 times 1. So 17, 1 times 6, 7 times 6, 42. Now you can see here, this denominator is also 6, this denominator also 6. So you can cancel out. The only remaining thing is numerator. 6x plus 15x. So positive terms I'm going to add first. 6x plus 15x, which is 21x. 21x minus 16x is equal to 17 minus 42. Integer subtraction. I think you know the integer subtraction. So 17 minus 42 is, so you do the normal subtraction like 42 minus 17, which is 25. But here 42. So 42 is the biggest number. This number carries negative sign, so take negative. Since absolute value of 42 is greater, so the number with greater absolute value has negative sign, so you have to take negative. Now, what is 21x minus 16x, which is 5x? 5x is equal to negative 25. So, x is equal to negative 25 divided by 5. So, which is nothing but x is equal to negative 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So, since it is negative, negative 5.